PJ Tours, we would like to welcome all the students and teachers of Regional
Science High School 3!
Opo, City. May 3 talaga. Okay, everybody say mabuhay!
Mabuhay!
Okay, again, mabuhay!
Mabuhay!
Greet your seatmates na good morning. Good morning.
Good morning.
Seatmates, good morning. And then you may kiss and hug your seatmates.
Wag!
Shake hands lang pala. Shake hands.
Utang na loob.
Okay, very good. Very good, children. Okay, so by the way, my name is Ate Mayan, and ako po yung magiging tour facilitator niya sa bus number
4!
My name again.
Ate Mayan!
Sa lahat po ng mga buses ngayon, may mga tour facilitator. So, hindi po namin kayo sinundo sa Olonga po. Dito po yung reporting place namin kanina. So, actually, kanina pa po kaming 5:30 dito. Madilim pa po. Nakatulog na po kami dyan sa mga bench. Okay. Kasi expected time of arrival namin, or nung nyo dito, I think 6 a.m. So, medyo na-late kayo nagdating. But anyway, okay lang po yun. So, we have 2 teachers in front. Nag-greet niyo na po yung mga teachers natin ng good morning?
Yes,
Or did you greet them already?
Good morning, sir. Good morning.
Hindi pa. Again, so greet na lang po natin sila ng good morning. So, let's start with Teacher Mike. So, na-meet ko na si Sir kanina. Okay.
Good morning, Sir Amaro!
You are, sir, may botany tayo, sir.
Okay.
Sir, walang kita.
Bayo sa kabota.
Sir, may sabi
Tayo
ko,
daw.
sir.
Okay, next
May
teacher is
test.
Teacher Mercy. Ma'am Mercy. Okay, tingnan natin si Ma'am Mercy ng good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, Ma'am Fernandez.
Ma'am, that's father, ma'am.
English teacher.
Yay, wala kami bread.
Okay.
Pareho pala tayong major
Astig. Mga major subjects yung mga nandito. Okay, so, would like also to introduce you our coach captain for today. So, obviously, coach captain is the one that's driving the bus.
Kaya naman.
Kuya nung huli, Raul. Kuya Raul and Kuya Roland. RR. Actually, RR sila. So, si Kuya Raul yung nagdadrive. And si Kuya Roland naman po yung assistant coach captain niya. Okay, so let's greet natin sila. Good morning, mga kuya.
Good morning, driver! Good morning, Kuya Pogi.
Kaway kayo.
Kuya Po. Pogi! Pogi!
Yung pinaka-input natin sa loob ng bus, si Kuya Raul. Kuya Raul. Hindi si Raul, ha? Si Raulo. Kuya Raul. Siyempre, importante din po yung assistant niya, si Kuya Roland, ha? Natatawa si ate, oh. Okay, anong year na po kayo?
Second year!
Second year. You look like grade 6 student.
Oh!
MJ po, Pinder.
Actually, na yung I think verse number 2 yung mali.
Nursery.
Santino. Si Santino, grade 8 niya sabi, excuse me, bawal ang elementary. Ate, high school na po ako.
Ate nursery po.
May nursery. Hindi, mas mali siya. Mali si Greg.
May daycare pa.
Nursery po kami.
Kasama rin namin si Padre. Baby po kami, baby.
Sino po yung mother niya? Nasa kabila. Dito sa bus natin, ano po yung mga nandito?